Subramaniam Swamy and Randeep Singh Surjewala of the Congress, the BJP, Gaurav Bhatia of the Samajwadi Party, Kiran Bedi, who is with Team Anna, supports Narendra Modi. Sankarshan Thakur, roving editor of the Telegraph, Captain Gopinath, who is a spirited and independent member of the Aam Aadmi Party, is increasingly getting frustrated with their actions. And my first question is to Arun Bhatia, who is a former IAS officer and is a supporter of the Aam Aadmi Party. He's the pro-AAP voice tonight. So, Arun Bhatia, this is now proven. This is now proven, you see. There is a minister who goes, as per this written testimony before a magistrate, I'm not making it up. A minister takes a mob, they carry long sticks with them, long sticks. Okay? And the minister is at the head of the mob. Okay? Then they go, they start harassing these women. And then they start beating these women with these long sticks. Then they tell these women that you leave the country. And if you don't leave the country, we will start killing you one by one. We will start killing you one by one. Okay? Now it's not acceptable to me. Acceptable to you? That this man continues facing such serious charges and continues to be law minister of a state?
Okay. Sir, the answer is like this. If this man entered the premises at night where there were women, if he did that, he is wrong, he should be prosecuted.
He didn't enter,
no
he took a group of people with long sticks. Yeah. He got the people and the companions of those women beaten up. And then this group of which he was allegedly the leader says, we will start killing you. We will kill you one by one. And the woman says, I saw this man on television. I saw this man on television. The Delhi police came and saved us from this mob. Now you tell me, sir, acceptable to you that this man continues to face such charges and be the law minister of a state?
Of course not. He should be asked to resign and he should be prosecuted. There's no question about that. How can you have people
when
like
Arvind
this
Kejriwal refuses to do it, when Arvind Kejriwal refuses to do it, is Arvind Kejriwal being hypocritical?
If Arvind Kejriwal refuses to do it, Arvind Kejriwal is wrong. We are here to support Aam Aadmi in its ideology, not the mistakes of individuals. Yes, Arvind Kejriwal is wrong, very wrong. If this minister, on a prima facie inquiry, it turns out that this man did this, he prodded these women with the sticks, and he said, I'll kill you. End of matter. Prosecute him, make him resign. Just file an FIR and put the police on him. No question about it. But if we mix all this up and defame an entire movement because one law minister misbehaves like this, I'm not...
No, what do you mean? What do you mean? Okay, 1 second. First of all, I'm not... Nobody's... the question and the pointed question is this, okay? Arun Bhatia. Yes. And you may have noticed.
Sir.
You may have noticed that the Aam Aadmi Party has not sent a spokesperson, official spokesperson. You're not an official spokesperson, you're a supporter.
Yes.
You don't know what? They have not sent one on this channel, right? Yeah. And I hope, and I sent an SMS. I sent an SMS to them saying that, you know, even if just because we are being critical does not mean that you say your people cannot come on this channel. Right? You get my point.
Sir?
You get my point. I am asking you today. I am simply asking you today.
Yes.
That Arvind Kejriwal, when a minister, there was a sting operation done on a minister's NGO, right? Arvind Kejriwal's argument was that the law minister of India, whose NGO was allegedly involved in these charges, should resign, right? So, Mr. Bhatia, today a law minister of Delhi is accused of leading a mob that assaults and beats up women and threatens to kill these people one by one if they don't leave the country, and Arvind Kejriwal does nothing, does absolutely nothing. Okay, Mr. Bhatia, does absolutely nothing. Why do you say I'm passing judgment? Where am I passing judgment? I'm asking a question. I'm comparing what he did then and what he's doing now.
Very simple and very brief. Arvind Kejriwal is totally wrong if he doesn't send his spokesman to defend the party on such channels.
What? No,
I am not a member of the party.
I
support
agree with you.
1 minute,
I agree with you.
I support.
I
1
agree
minute,
with
sir. No, sir, please, come. Sir, come on. Give me a chance. You asked me a long question.
I agree with you. I agree with you.
I'm answering the second part. That actually we feel let down. That guys like me have to come on television and defend this ideology of the Aam Aadmi Party, to which we are wedded in thought and by heart, and they are not sending their own spokesman. I feel bad about that, number one. Number two, as far as the law minister is concerned, sir, clearly I've said that this is criminal action on his part. We don't want a minister sitting who does that. The goons do this on the street.
That's the point.
Ministers,
Arun Bhatia, thank you for your candor, but what are we seeing here today? No, what are we seeing here today? Sankarshan, how do you see what's going on?
Yeah, we are seeing a mistake.
Oh, we are seeing a mistake, but nobody has accepted a mistake. Arvind Kejriwal has not accepted a mistake. Yogendra Yadav has not accepted a mistake.
That is wrong.
Prashant Bhushan has not accepted a mistake.
That is wrong of him.
None of them have accepted a mistake, have they? They defend this man. What's it? Sankarshan Thakur, do you think Arvind will be forced to reconsider his rigid position?
I have no idea whether he'll be forced to or not. 2 points. One of the things that why this is a party with a difference is that, and what disturbs him about the Aam Aadmi Party is that it considers itself the exclusive force of good, and everyone else on the political spectrum is a force of evil. So whenever you question them, you ask them hard things, you criticize them, they will refuse to engage. As if, you know, and I think that is undemocratic. This kind of intolerance has been visible with the Aam Aadmi Party's spokesman and its leaders for a very, very long time. Two, the kind of things that Delhi's law minister has been seen on tape saying is a criminal offense in most parts of the world now.
Absolutely.
It is a criminal offense. You know, he has been issuing racist expletives. He has been encouraging a kind of xenophobia in Khirki village. If there is any kind of violation of the law in Khirki village, as there well might be, the law needs to deal with that. But vigilante activism, a mob led by the law minister of the state, is absolutely unacceptable. And Mr. Arvind Kejriwal, if he is the chief minister with a difference, should have acted a long time ago. It's already too late.
Subramaniam Swamy, Captain Gopinath, Gaurav Bhatia, let's get everyone in. Let's start with you, Subramaniam Swamy. The question of whether it behoves a state minister to be behaving like this, to lead a mob, threaten foreigners and say, you know, allow the mob to say, I'm going to kill people. We're going to kill you. That's not even a question right now, Subramaniam Swamy. But how is this carrying on unchecked? Do we leave this now to the individual conscience of Arvind Kejriwal? Do we leave it to that, Dr. Swamy?
Well, you see, you have heard the Home Minister calling the Chief Minister a madman, and the Chief Minister saying that I am an anarchist. So why should you expect anything better? It is for the Congress Party to answer. If the Chief Minister is indeed mad, and I would perhaps I think there will be very few people today in India who would disagree with that, then what is the Congress Party doing propping them up? Now, not only that, he took an oath of office for uphold the Constitution, he breaks the law.
Yeah.
Then he says takes an oath on secrecy, and he has files on the road, and they are examining the secret files of the government on the road with people peeping over his shoulder looking at the files. Now, these are all anarchic symptoms, and it's part of their ideology. I don't know what their ideology is in terms of presentation, but we know that they are committed to the left radical ideology.
Who's committed? No, where does this left radical ideology creep up always in your arguments, Mr. Dr. Subramaniam Swamy? Let's remain focused, please. You know, any opportunity that you get.
You can see from what they are saying.
No, this is not about... now you will start calling people Naxalites. No, one minute.
They don't believe in the integrity of the country. They don't believe in the integrity of the country.
No, no.
That's the first
There's no reason to say
left-wing,
that. Now you're just
extremism in
going
our
wild.
country.
You're going wild. These are wild allegations. You're just going wild.
I don't know what you mean by wild.
You can't say he's
I think
against
you
the
are
country,
wild.
he's a traitor,
you are
foreign funded.
completely.
What is this?
Why don't you
I don't
criticize
think you
the Congress
represent
and
the
them?
BJP in the same terms. Criticize
Why
the
should I
Congress and the
produce
BJP
one
in the
document?
same terms. The scandal.
I think the Congress is stupid.
Yeah, don't be that one-sided. No,
propping them up.
Stick to the point. Be focused.
What
Don't
do
make
you mean
wild
one-sided?
allegations.
I have my opinion.
Totally
I don't have to
wild,
have your opinion.
irrational,
Remember
wild,
that. That
unfounded
is another
allegations.
left-wing extremism.
No.
When your opinion is not
let's
accepted,
talk of
it is
left
left.
wing.
You
Dr.
say don't
Swami,
be one-sided.
It's not fashionable
What do you
to
mean
talk
by
of
that?
left wing. Every country, even Britain is left wing.
They are left wing. They are committed to left wing ideology. This is part of what the Red Guards did in China.
America is left. In social welfare states, all states are inclined towards the left.
Am I asking
So
you
don't
who's
just
left
use
and
this
who's right?
terminology in a wild
Am I
way.
asking
Oh,
you?
he's
No,
left,
am I
so he's an
asking you
anarchist.
one gentleman,
It's not
please?
challenge.
Gentlemen, please. Am I asking you who's left of center, who's right of center?
No.
Is that the question today? The question today is only this. And I'm going to Kiran Bedi. And by the way, Randeep Singh Surjewala cannot let that question go unchallenged. But Kiran Bedi, the question is this. What are we discussing? There is a woman who has come out in a written testimony, testified in front of a magistrate. She has said that the law minister of the state is leading a group of people who come and assault me, right? Then they beat me up. They thrash my companions with long sticks. And they say, we will start killing you one by one if you don't leave our country. That's the question today. Arvind Kejriwal then allows this law minister of it, and I'm sure the pictures which are completely laughable, Kiran Bedi, I'll play those pictures where Somnath Bharti loses his voice when our reporter Prema Sridevi confronts him. He says, and he's half laughing, half mocking. He says, I've lost my voice. He won't depose before the Women's Commission. Arvind Kejriwal won't say a word about him. So Kiran Bedi, do we leave this to Arvind Kejriwal's conscience? Do we leave it to that?
Arnab, where do we import courage from? Where do we import courage from? The point is, that is what is missing. This minister could have been arrested that night itself. Could the policeman have arrested him?
Should have been arrested.
Just because he defied him, the man has been moved out. Number one. He could have been arrested that night. Secondly, did the CM have courage to take action against his law minister? No. Instead, what did he do? He went on a dharna and called himself an anarchist, violated the rule of law.
Oh, yes.
Did the police commissioner have the courage to book him for violation of prohibitory orders?
No, who do you blame? You're pointing at the
it's been a
center.
case of looking away.
You're pointing at the center, Kiran Bedi, admit it.
I'm telling.
You're pointing at the center.
Can I complete?
Yeah, please.
Can I complete? I have been a deputy commissioner of police of a district. My SHOs have been arresting members of parliament. They did not come back to me saying, do we do it? Because they had been given the power to uphold the rule of law. And that I would stand by them.
Who's not
How
giving
dare
them the
anybody
powers in
transfer
this
them?
case, Ms.
Nobody
Bedi?
could.
Who's taking away the powers? Are you accusing Sushil
is the
Kumar
system.
Shinde of hypocrisy, of calling Arvind Kejriwal mad on the one side while doing a complicit deal with him on the other? If you are saying so, you might as well say so directly.
No, I'm telling you, the system, the fact that the poor SHOs stood up has been moved out. How do you expect the SHOs to take action and uphold the rule of law? It is a system. Why has Kejriwal been allowed to continue violation of 144 for 2 long days?
Arun
and he's getting
Bhatia.
appeal when the government should have been
I want
dismissed.
Arun Bhatia to come
when
into
the
that.
government should have been dismissed by the President
Yes.
of India.
Yes, I
Where is the courage?
Yes.
Courage to uphold the rule of law.
You take away that courage.
Yes.
You take away that courage to uphold the rule of law and the system will collapse. That's the same system. That's the same system, Arun Bhatia. That officers like you, when you
Yes,
took on
sir.
the system,
Now-
said we will fight to defend. Today, because you have political affiliations, you have suddenly become completely blind to the violation of that very system, which you once fought to defend, Mr. Arun Bhatia. Now, I'm sorry to say this with the utmost of respect to you. How much of a compromise is that, Mr. Bhatia? How much will you compromise?
Okay. Yeah, sure, I'll answer that. Only request is give me 20 seconds. Now, what you have done, in effect, is become personal, which is not the best thing to do on a channel.
I have not
I
become
can also
personal.
turn
I have
around and
asked
say
you a
that you don't
question.
give a chance. No, let me finish. Let me finish. I can also turn down and say that you don't give a chance for us, people like me, to explain
You had
ourselves.
more of a chance.
I have
The Congress
not gone back
spokesperson
on my
hasn't even
principles.
spoken yet.
One minute. You can't get away with this. No.
You
1
also
minute.
interrupted.
I have not gone back on.
Yeah, when I was speaking, you
I
interrupted.
have not gone back on my principles. Let me finish. No. This is not the way to conduct a civilized debate, Arnab. Come on, I have a lot of respect for you and what you're doing for this country. Let me speak after you passed a personal allegation. What do you think this is? You can just throw away honesty? I have not forsaken my principles. And 10 times on this channel right now I've said Kejriwal is wrong, the law minister is wrong, prosecute them, make him resign. Yesterday also I said section 144 has been violated, but there are two ways of doing it. I've also been a district magistrate in 5 districts. I've been a divisional commissioner in charge of 5 districts in Pune. When 144 is broken,
Have you seen the
police has
video?
a choice.
Have you seen the video? Don't know. Have you seen the video? I'm sorry, sir. Have you
No,
seen
what
the
are we
video?
arguing about?
Have you
What
seen
are
the
we
video
arguing
and
about?
have you seen the language?
What are we
Have you
arguing
seen the
about?
language
Yes,
that was
I've
used
seen
by
it.
Somnath Bharti about these women?
You are not letting me finish.
You're-
I am talking of Kiran Bedi's point. Let me finish.
Okay, Kiran Bedi.
There are
fine.
two options for the police. Either you make immediate arrest on the spot, or if the situation is controlled, you can prosecute Kejriwal today also. Put an FIR against him today also. Issue an arrest warrant today also.
Where is the arrest warrant? Where is the arrest warrant? I'm asking
Sorry?
Randeep Surjewala today
Sorry?
because the accusation will be put at Randeep Surjewala. And it's been put by Subramaniam Swamy already. Where is the arrest warrant? Why is the Delhi police not acted?
Arnab,
No. Why has the Delhi police not acted against Somnath Bharti? Are you holding them back?
Shri Subramaniam Swamy has to start using more temperate language. To call political parties Maoists, he just said that the Congress...
Yeah.
You
I
also
take
Home
very
Minister.
serious offense to that. It's time that he apologized.
Who?
It's time that Shri Subramaniam Swamy apologized to the nation as also to the Congress party for his remarks. They are all recorded. I heard them. I expect Shri Subramaniam Swamy to conduct himself. He is much elder in age to me. We respect him for his age, but I'm sorry, I think he has lost all respect for his self-professed eloquence or high academics. If he is going to use such intemperate language for a party that brought independence to this nation, which was formed in 1885, we just heard on your channel, and I expect, Arnab, that you would at least on your channel not permit use of such snide remarks, intemperate and offensive language from the BJP spokesperson.
Now,
expect
Randeep
him to
Surjewala,
apologize on
you have with the craft acquired by a practiced spokesperson, and I am not here to advocate for Subramaniam Swamy. I can tell you he's
No.
eminently capable of
All
defending
that I'm
himself.
saying is
No.
that
I'm paying you a compliment, Randeep. I'm paying you a compliment.
We respect you, but Mr. Subramaniam Swamy has to know what kind of language to use for his political opponents.
Okay, so now you don't.
We always use G or Mr. for him, as also for all their leaders. Is that the way to address political parties?
Okay, now I just want to ask you. I'm
Definitely no.
very curious.
It is completely unacceptable conduct.
Randeep.
Yeah,
First of all,
it's time that he said sorry.
Randeep.
Both to your viewers
Randeep
as also to the
Surjewala.
Congress party.
Mr. Surjewala, 1 minute, please. Allow me. No. Subramaniam Swamy must
He has
defend
no
himself.
business.
Sir, 1 minute,
He has
Mr.
no
Surjewala.
right to
Mr.
call any
Surjewala.
political party stupid.
I can
and
understand.
I will not accept it.
I can, no, one second. By the way,